Let's start with the main ingredient, buckwheat. Take half a cup. Now add rolled oats, also half a cup. Why this combination? Buckwheat is iron, which teenagers need during their active growth period. Oats are fiber for good digestion. Together, they provide slow carbohydrates, meaning energy that releases gradually without sharp blood sugar spikes. Cover the grains with water and leave for 1 to 2 hours, or better yet, overnight. Important, we're not cooking the buckwheat, we're soaking it. First, soaking removes phytic acid, which interferes with nutrient absorption. Second, raw soaked buckwheat doesn't give its characteristic taste and smell. It becomes neutral, almost nutty. That's exactly why children don't recognize it in the finished bread. Third, this buckwheat retains all vitamins and minerals. While the grains are soaking, let's prepare natural sweetness. Take 1 apple, peel it, and cut into small cubes. The apple adds juiciness and a slight tang. Now, take dried apricots and prunes, a handful of each. Cut them into small pieces. Here's the main trick. Bright orange apricot pieces and dark prunes completely divert attention. When a child sees this bread, they think, oh, sweet pastry with fruits. And they're absolutely right. Only these fruits are not just tasty, but also healthy. Dried apricots are potassium for the heart. Prunes are for good digestion, and no refined sugar. Now for the liquid base. Crack 1 egg into a deep bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 3 teaspoons of sugar. Yes, very little sugar, because we already have sweet dried fruits. Add half a cup of milk or kefir. Kefir will make the bread even softer and add beneficial bacteria. Pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. The oil is needed for dough elasticity and to keep the bread from going stale quickly. And now an important ingredient, yeast. Dissolve 10 grams of dry yeast in half a cup of warm water. Many moms are afraid of yeast, but in our case, they're needed not just for fluffiness. Baker's yeast is a source of B vitamins, especially B1, B2, B6. And do you know why teenagers need them? For the nervous system. During exams, tests, and stress, B vitamins are used up very quickly. This bread is a little support for a school child's body. Whisk the liquid mixture well until smooth. Add the soaked buckwheat and oats to the liquid mixture, along with the water they were soaking in. Don't drain the water. Nutrients are still there. Stir. Now add the chopped apple, dried apricots, and prunes. Look how beautiful! Orange and dark pieces on a light background. This is exactly what children see. Bright fruit pieces. Buckwheat and oats completely dissolve in this picture. Now gradually add flour, about 1.5 to 2 cups. Don't add it all at once. Add half a cup at a time and mix. The dough should be thick, like good sour cream, but not too stiff. Use a silicone spatula or just a spoon. The dough will be sticky. That's normal. It has a lot of moisture from the fruits and soaked grains. Mix all ingredients well. The dough should become smooth, without flour lumps. Buckwheat is one of the most popular and healthy grains, especially in Eastern European countries. It's rich in iron, B vitamins, and fiber. Its popularity stems from its filling properties. nutty flavor, and versatility. What country are you in? Try it and let me know in the comments. Do your children recognize buckwheat? Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and leave in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours until the dough rises and doubles in size. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and leave in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours until the dough rises and doubles in size. During this time, the yeast will do their job. The dough will become fluffy and airy. When the dough has risen, place it on a surface sprinkled with flour. Gently punch it down. You don't need to knead it for long. Just shape it. Form a loaf. You can roll it out with a rolling pin into a sheet 2 to 3 centimeters thick, or just shape it by hand. Transfer to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 to 200 degrees Celsius, 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 to 40 minutes until golden brown. You can check doneness with a wooden skewer. Stick it in the center of the bread. If the skewer comes out dry, the bread is ready. Here it is, our healthy bread. Look at this golden crust. And now, the most exciting moment, slicing and seeing what's inside. See? Inside, soft, porous crumb with bright fruit pieces. Buckwheat and oats are absolutely not noticeable. Taste it. You can feel the sweetness of apricots, a slight tang from the apple, pleasant texture, and no buckwheat aftertaste. This bread is perfect for breakfast before school, snack in a lunchbox, after-school snack. It's filling but not heavy, provides energy for 4 to 5 hours, and most importantly, children really love it. Make this bread on the weekend. Slice it and freeze. In the morning, just take out a piece. It will thaw quickly at room temperature. Or take it to school. This snack is much healthier than any store-bought bars. Try this recipe and write in the comments. Did your children recognize the buckwheat? Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new healthy eating recipes for kids. Like the video if it was helpful. See you!